Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jessie Lee, a wellness coach. I focus on holistic mind, body, spirit approach to unlock your personal wellness code for effective, lasting results. Whether it's weight loss, facial sculpting, or long-term wellness regimen, here I share real-life health and wellness case studies. Today, I want to address a big misconception I've noticed from my consultations. My audience spans a wide age range, and when it comes to non-surgical face lifting methods like facial massage or face yoga, many of you follow YouTube tutorials, is that right? But here's a catch. Not all techniques work the same for every age.
What?
If you are in 20s, I can tell you most of the moves are fair game. You can just follow along, there's no problem. But starting at 30, you need to decode your personal wellness code because our skin, bone structure, and lifestyle habits vary. Some people in their 40s or 50s has no nasolabial folds, while others you can see them in their early 30s or late 20s. They also can have nasolabial folds. It's tied to the fat distribution under our skin, bone structure, sleep habits, and even how we talk. So when we pick the right massage or face yoga moves means knowing your unique situation. For those over 40, it's even trickier. Many popular techniques can actually deepen fine lines if they are not suited to you. Beyond the facial work, you also need to train muscles from your shoulders, your neck, up to your face. And meanwhile, you have to pair with dietary tweaks. If not, you might risk backfiring. You might notice you reduce the nasolabial folds, but ending up with worse eye bags, tear troughs, or sagging skin. So whether it's facial sculpting, weight loss, or overall health, the key is knowing your personal wellness code. This is a lifelong, multi-dimensional journey, body, energy, and the spirit combined. Do you feel curious? If you want to know how your personal wellness code can tackle health issues for good, you can leave a comment or book a free one-on-one consultation with me. If you'd rather skip the deep dive and just want quick fixes, you can also find some videos from my channel. Next, I will share a practical facial massage for most ages. Korugi facial massage. It's a Japanese technique using knuckle pressure and sliding motions to stimulate bones, muscles, and lymphatic drainage. It can help us lifting sagging skin and reshaping the jawline, reducing puffiness by boosting lymph flow, relaxing face muscles, and improving circulation for collagen production. But you also need to pay attention. If you have sensitive skin or facial wounds, you should skip it. You can keep pressure firm but painless. Don't overdo it. The last one is don't do it if you had facial surgery. Stay tuned for the demo.